Hey everyone, hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we'll be going through this quick tutorial this of the instructions down here, exactly showing how you can actually get started learning about AI for free on Azure. If you don't know what Azure is or don't know what the cloud is, you should have learned that through the first lessons here, 1 and 2. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Step 1, you can right click here and open a new tab. We're going to be creating a new Outlook email. What the new Outlook email does is sets up a new email that we have totally separate from any personal Microsoft email you might use for Xbox or anything. This would be strictly for your learning for AI certifications. You can go here. Let's do an example email right here. Click create account, and right here just do a random one. So type in Dave@outlook.com, and then you'll see here enter new email address. So it'll say this is taken. You create your own Outlook email, and once you're done creating it, we'll move on to the next step here. So after you're done creating it, we're gonna go into Outlook email, and by doing that, just right click here and open a new tab. So let's go back here. Once you create it, you'll create your email and password. Once you've done that, you'll sign in using the same email and password used here into Outlook login. This is just like Gmail. So your Google email and password, same thing. This is for Microsoft email and password. So you will sign in to this, the same one. And once you're done signing into that, you'll be at a little screen, which will clearly show you, the Outlook Gmail. I mean, sorry, the Outlook email, and that's what we'll be able to see. So let me do that. All right, so this is what your Outlook might look like. Just regular email thing here, similar to Gmail, but different in its own way. So once we're done that, we'll go back to Learn AI. And next, we're going to start. This is where we actually start learning here, right? So we're going to open Microsoft Learn website here, right click, and open a new tab. So like I said, this Outlook place will be, let's say in the near future you ever decide to pay to take a certification test, which these modules will be going through or you'll be going through to learn the AI. If you go through all the modules, which will teach you all the AI implementations you need for free, you can decide if you want to actually go and take the certification test, which will cost some money. But when doing that, you'll have this email area where if you sign for a certification test, you'll be able to do everything will be connected to your Outlook email, which is a separate email from any personal things you have. So that's good too. So you're not connected to your Xbox account or any of that. So let's go into credentials over here. So what you will want to do is click the sign in on the right. So you sign into the same Outlook account that you signed in with into Outlook.com and the account you just created. That same account and password, same email and password. Okay, I'm signed in. Once you're signed into that same email and password, you see a little icon, whatever your little icon is that you created for your account. It might just be a little regular thing. But what you'll go down here after you signed in to browse certifications. Now, once you browse certifications, you will go down to AI. And once you get down to AI, you see Azure AI Fundamentals or Azure AI Engineer Associate, whichever one you're doing, and click on whichever one. And then you go down to the course, click on the course, and bam, you click course syllabus. You can read through all this yourself, but that is how you can actually start learning AI for free. So you can read all this yourself, get a feel for it yourself. As you see here, you can go through all the courses. You click this, all the courses, learning modules, and when you actually leave out, you will see this is how much the AI fundamental exam costs, 99 USD. This is what you're assessed on. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the community section over here. Just type in you're having trouble, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. And yep, hope everyone has a great day and continue learning.